All right, so we've got our jumbo biscuits, Grand's biscuits. I just get the off-brand. Woo! Whatever you want. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then what you're going to do is you're going to roll out your biscuits and just get it a little bit bigger. Doesn't have to be huge. Just like so. Now you're going to do that with all 10 biscuits. Okay, so you're going to roll it out, put it in an greased muffin tin. Then, this is my hamburger that I pre-cooked. I pre-cooked 5 pounds of hamburger at a time, and then I put it in little baggies and freeze them, and then I already have pre-ground hamburgers. So this dinner literally takes me 5 minutes prep time, okay? Then in each biscuit, we're gonna put a little bit of hamburger in each one. Now, if you want, you could add spaghetti sauce, you could use pepperoni, you could use sausage, you could make a vegetarian one where you just put onions and green peppers and mushrooms. You could do an Alfredo sauce, a pesto sauce, any combination that you want. Then you're gonna top it with cheese. Place them in a greased muffin tin at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. If you're using a dark coated pan like the one I have here, you need to turn your temperature down to 325 degrees. Otherwise, it will burn the bottoms of your cheeseburger bowls. And there are my cheeseburger bowls. These recipes are in the description below and on our website at livingonadime.com. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.